Primeserv operates skills training centres, corporate and vocational training operations, recruitment and flexible staffing services. It has a market cap of 69 million rand, a price to earnings ratio of 6.6 and a dividend yield of 1%. Where does Primeserv fall into the spectrum?
You know, it's one of those smaller operations and listings that's been knocking around for years and years, and nobody ever talks about them outside of results, and even then there's scant attention. Merrick Abel, who's the CEO, and I think his family control most of the shares, has been steadily kind of beavering away over the years. But like I say, they're quite small. I mean, by normal standards as a business, they've got solid turnover and they've had some earnings volatility. But, you know, for a private company, they would be a well-respected, well-sized, well-regarded operation. In the context of a listed stock exchange where people want excitement, growth, you know, change the world or revolutionize the way people spend, not really getting any attention.
You like the sector, you're leaning to the more positive. Does Primeserv fall into that positive story?
Well, it does thematically, but this is so small that even we stay away.
This is a really, really minute penny stock.
It's a really, really minute penny stock. I mean, at a market cap of just over 60 million, this is tiny. So thematically we like it, but probably too small to include or do a lot of work for any of our portfolios, really.
And the average value traded in this share over the last month and a half has been 528. By which I mean not 528,000, 528. So less than 1,000 rands a day. It's probably one deal somewhere along, you know, the last month where it was traded and then whoops.
Well, that clearly puts it into perspective. Hot or not on Primeserv?
Nope, not for me.
Tsepo?
Look, if liquidity is not a constraint for you and you can buy and stick to this, I'd say it's worth taking a look at. So I'd say hot.